Hello students, welcome to the new session of class 6th and today we will start with a subject that is really important, and it is not only important related to your other subjects, but it is also important as it is very helpful in carrying your life, and that is the values. And we will going to study about that what is value and why it is important to study about the value education. So basically, if we are talking about the value education students, so you see that what is education? This is the first thing that came, that what is education and how it is differ from that of the value education. So basically, if we talk about the education, the very purpose or the main function of the education, it is the development of all round and well balanced personality of a person, of the children, of any person, development of the personality, all round development of the personality, as well as development in all the dimension of the human being, that can be related to the nation, making our nation more democratic, becomes socially responsible, becomes culturally rich, or intellectual competitive, bringing the competitive nation or intellectual, being intellectual, that is also we will include into the education. So this is the main function in which the education tells about the overall development of the personality by understanding our responsibility, by doing that, by understanding and knowing about our culture. But what happened these days, you find that it is not like that, because we are totally depend upon the information. We want information, we need only the knowledge. Our more emphasis is only on taking the knowledge or the knowledge based. Even we are only focus on our exams. We are very concerned about the exams, and even when we study about the subject, we simply just want to cramp all the words so that we can write on the paper. So all the education is totally a knowledge based one. It is information oriented, and it do not care about the social development, but it is only taking care of the intellectual development of the child, and which is not the overall development. So this is because there is a need of the value education. Okay, now when we talk about the personality, overall development of the personality of a person, so personality is what? It is not only that you look smart. When will you look smart? When you're physically you will be good, and not only physically but emotionally, socially, and spiritually. These all development is important for the growth of the attitude, habits, to know the values, to know the skill, and even interest among your friend, knowing their problems. So that will help in the overall development of the personality. Personality does not restrict it to the physical appearance, but personality is that how good you are in the society. Society here, when we are talking about the society, so here it is related to your neighbor, to your friends, to your the colony. So that is your society, and how well you are there, that help in developing the personality. So okay, so this is about the education. Now, if we talk about the value education, so before we understand that is a what is a value education, we should know the meaning of the value. We have understood the term education. Now, we should understand the value of what is the meaning of a value here. So you can see here, student, any human activity, thought, or even idea, its feeling, sentiment, or emotion that could help in developing the self development of an individual in all dimensions that could be said to constitute a value. So, value is what? The activity, the thought, even the idea, feeling, emotion, these all things, if it is helping a person in the self development, if it is helping a person its own development of a personality, development of the person itself in all respect, that is really that can be its abilities, its behavior towards the others, its attitude, these all, it means that includes all development here. It means not only the social and physical but spiritual development. Okay, so any activity that help in the overall development of an individual, its own development, that we called as value, that constitute the value here. Now here, values, you see, values reflects one's personal attitude, judgment, decision and choices, behavior and relationship, dreams, vision, dreams and vision. They influence our thought, feelings and action. So values is what? We said that it help if any thinking, any feeling or emotion which help a person to increase its self development. Now, when we talk about the self development, that is how a person's personal attitude developed, how it affects his judgment, how much he is able to take decision, choices, is behavior towards the other, towards himself, and the relationship, the kind of relationship that he have with his family, with the friend, society, the dreams and the belief in the dreams, the vision. It means they are having the vision, they are very clear about the goals. So these all things will come if we are having the positive attitude, if we are having the values, and that will help in reaching to our goals, in making our vision very clear. And these all things, students, you see, it help in influencing our thought, even in feelings and action. If a person personal attitude is judgment, decision, choices, even the relationship, dreams, if this is developed, so that will help in making his thought effective, his feeling, and that we can see in his action also. So value help in reflecting in all respect. Now, value education, it is what, student, it is the process by which, by means of which a person develops ability, his attitude, his behavior, of the positive values in the society in which he lives. You see, there are a lot of positive and the negative values are there. But if the process is there in which the person is developing the ability, attitude, behavior towards the positive values in the society, that is the value education. Okay, obviously, if suppose we are having the self belief that we can do that, anything, so that will enhancing our attitude, this will going to affect our decision, this will going to affect our behavior, our relationship. Okay, so self belief will come when the person is able to think the positive values. Okay, only then the self belief will come. So here, the value education is all inculcating in the children a sense of humanism, a deep concern for the well-being of other and the nation. So, inculcating the humanity, sense of humanism means humanity, deep concern about the others, the responsibility towards the society, as well as the most important is towards the nation. These three things are very important, and these three things are the base of the value education, students. If we are having the sense of humanism, if we are having the humanity, then we will start take caring of other. Then we will become a hero. If we are having a deep concern about well-being of others, that will speaks about the positive value of a person. And not only this, but responsibility towards the society, towards the nation will help in increasing the values of a person. So the value education is totally around these things. Now, what are the objectives of the value education, students? So, you see that traditionally, if we talk earlier, the people they were the if we talk about their value education, so they are totally concerned, or that is totally based upon the religion or philosophy. They think that if a person is they think the spiritual, it is related to the god only. So only believing on the religion or the philosophy, that is the only objective of the value education earlier. But there is no secular value education. Okay, but in the modern, you see that it is okay with the religion and the philosophy is a one thing, but the secular value education is really very important. So, what are the things, what are the objectives that is concerned with the value education? That is full development of child's personality, full development of a personal personality. It means it is important that a person must be physically, mentally, or emotionally, socially, and spiritual in all the aspect. If we are developing, if we are showing the development, that will be the one of the objective of that of the value education. Second one, we should inculcate the spirit of nationalism, or spirit of national integration. So, if we are having the respect, if we are knowing the responsibility towards our nature, and having respect towards our nation, that also comes under the value education, and that will develop if we start thinking about the dignity of the individual, of the society, as well as we start developing a democratic way of a thinking, that will also help in increasing or inculcating the value education in us. And when we are living in a society, when we start thinking and living in a democratic way, we become more responsible and now, here the question arises, and that is, what is the need for the value education? Why we are talking about it? So you can see here, the first one is a student, and that is values. It allows the individual to interact harmoniously with other. So it helps us in telling the peace. That means how can we live in a peace and harmony, or how can we set up harmony with others. So harmony, it is important if we want to live in a society. So basically this value education help us in making us that how we can live in the society. Second one, values guide our behavior. They are the part of our identity as individuals. So it helps or it guides that what kind of a behavior a person must have, and how They become the part of our identity as an individual. So, our behavior is our identity as a person. So, values it guide us that what kind of a behavior a person have if living in a society or for the person himself or for its own development. Then they show us how to behave and how not to behave when we are faced with desires or impulses, whether we are alone or with others. See, when we are very excited or when we are having a lot of emotions, even the desire also, the way we behave with the others or with themselves, with ourselves, that also guided by our values. So that what kind of a behavior we have at that time, that is also guided by the value education. So values it tells us how to behave, how not to behave when we are full of desire, when we are full of impulses, and when we are having this kind of emotions with us or with the others. Then they are like a compass that help us to behave consistently regardless of the situation. Obviously, they help us to make us understand that what kind of a situation it is, and doesn't matter that kind of a situation or a bad or a good situation is there, the behavior that is really important. Value guide our action and determine for us what is good or what is bad. So it is the values only. If a person is knowing, you see, many times you do a lot of a thing, wrong thing, and you yourself are knowing, or uh, sometimes you say that no, we cannot do that because we are not, we do not have that kind of a values in us. So that help us, that guide us, that what kind of a action we have, and it also tell us that whether it is good or whether it is bad. And on the basis of that, we used to act, we used to show our action. So value basically, the value education it is important as it help a person in guiding the kind of a the kind of a situation, as well as it help a person or it guide a person that what is good, what is bad, and how a person should behave if the circumstances is not well for him, if the thing is not right, if it is bad. Okay, or even it also work or it also help us in telling that what kind of behavior, what kind of a action the person show to the others or towards himself also. Okay, now let us see that what are the different kind of values, or what are the different types of values are there. So political value, religious value, social, intellectual, economic, aesthetic value. We will include the spiritual value also, or a moral value also. So basically, these are the different types of our values. Now, if we talk about the first one, student, and that is social value. What is a social value? It is the kind of a human condition which is reflected in a life. So social value it is important because it help in because it is important because the people who live on a place, they what they experience in their life, that is related to the social value. Okay, so the social value it reflects that how we relate to the society, and it includes everything. Includes justice, it includes freedom, it includes respect, it includes community, as well as most important is the responsibility. So these all things are what that reflected in our life. So, what are the things that we feel our society that they need more is the first one, the ultimate goal on focusing on the social value is the love, loyalty. So, joy and love. Obviously, if we will keep the loyalty, uh, then you can say that it is that value which makes in increasing or deepening the bonding between the person. Okay, so it bind us the person, things, and even the sentiment also. So if we are keeping loyal, or if we are being loyal, or keeping the loyalty to build the strength that needed up to stand against anything that would harm the society, that will comes into the social value. Respect, mutual respect is really important, student, because if we have respect for everyone despite the difference between us, because we live in a society, and you know that in a society that there are variable people are there, they are different from each other. So if we are having respect for each and everyone, that will help in enhancing the social value in us. Okay, sorry. Okay, so honesty is also there, student. Honesty or truth. Being a truth seeker, or you have seen that the truth seeker, they get more respect, even the person who is having more money. So, being honest and being truthful, that is also a value that a person should inculcate inside it, and that we will include it into the social values. The next kind of a value is the cultural value, students. Cultural value, culture value. And you know that the people are different. There is a lot of a variation, especially if we talk about the Indian culture. So Indian culture, it varies with the place to place, even with time to time. Okay, not only Indian, but even in the other countries also. So this that we should know about. So cultural value, you see, students, if we talk about the cultural value, so culture, if we talk about the culture, it not only changes, it is not only different with the time, with the place, but also it tells about that what is correct, what is not correct, and what is just okay. It means it tells about the difference between right or wrong, the difference between true or false. Okay, so it tells about the bad, good, or fair, we can say. Now, not only this, the culture help in setting the ground of the behavior of the human being. Okay, whatever the kind of a behavior a person have, that it 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 tells about its cultural values. Then language, see, different people, they are having the different languages in their culture. Then education, education will help in enhancing, in understanding the truth, and it help in understanding the culture in a more appropriate way. Okay, they will help in making to understand it in a logical way. See, students, if we talk about the our own country, so we are having a lot of cultural difference, like different religion is there, different clothes, different food is there, family, the kind of a greeting, and even that will help in checking our tolerance. Okay, So we can say that basically, if we say about the culture, so culture is what? It is the defined as all way of a life, including the art, including the belief, including institution of a population, and that it will pass from generation to generation. So the art, the belief that we get, and the people they used to transfer it from one generation to another. That is how a cultural value is set up, and that is how the way of a life is there for an entire society. So we can say that it is a code of a manner, it is a kind of a dress, it is a kind of a rituals, it includes the kind of a law, it includes the kind of a norms of behavior, or the belief, the system of the belief, art, mortality. These all are things we are totally depend upon the type of a culture we have. Okay, so we can say that whatever the belief, whatever the art, or whatever the kind of the rituals that we have, we used to pass it from one generation to another, that we call as a culture. This is the value that we are providing, which we are giving from one generation to the other. Okay, now, okay, so this is about the cultural value, which tells about the language, which tells about the education, which tells about the law or economics that we have. Then next one is the global values, students. So social value was there, cultural was there, and then finally global values. So now the value, the thinking that we have, it must be not limited only for a certain society. It should not be limited for only a city or a country, but it should be on a global on a global thing. Okay, so that will help in enhancing our global value. Like what? Like we all are the part of the planet. Okay, we belong to the same planet, and the nature that we have, nature never had divided us in a society or in a country. Nature is similar to everyone, to similar to all the people who are living on this planet. So we are having similar nature, we are on the same planet, and we should live together in a harmony. So the interlink, the connection that we have, it should be with peace and harmony. Okay, so without, we should, if we are talking about global values, it means we should increase, we should expand our boundaries, and start thinking not in a, for a particular country, but we should also think about our our earth, our planet. And it is because we all belongs to the same planet. So this is the last one, student, global values, where the part of the planet is there, similar nature interlinked with that of the harmony. Next one is the individual value, also individual personality. And for enhancing, for increasing the individual personality, it is important that we should take help from our elders, that is from the parents and the teachers. Okay, so we should keep small goals and try to find it with perfection. At least we can seek perfection in finding or in getting that particular goal. Okay, so goals, small goals we should, small aim we should keep, and try to achieve it with perfection. So individual value is there, in which we should take care about the individual personality, individual goals. And finally, we will see about that of the spiritual values. In spiritual values, students, the thing which is important here, that is self-discipline, reduction in our desire for anything, and the most important is the self-control. Self-discipline, self-control, and reduction of the desire for something. Keeping the goal is another thing, and having a lot of desire with no direction, That is another thing. So we should reduce in such kind of a wants. We should always be self control. What do we want? As well as self discipline also plays a very important role, very important to enhance the spirituality, spiritual value of a person. So these are some of the values that a person should keep.